Let's go XRP. The price is doing pretty freaking amazing right now. I'm in my room, which is pretty large because they didn't have anything else. Still, by the way, over in Taipei. If you did not know, look at how beautiful the balcony view is. That is actually amazing in my opinion. But yeah, I was just taking a look at XRP and the price is doing pretty freaking amazing right now. I think we are at like 69 cents or so, just confirming real quick over on my iPad here. 69 cents right now is what we're trading at. Can you guys imagine? Can you guys imagine? This is again another showcase of we were right. And now, like I've said 1,000 times, 69 cents on its own, and all these little price rises, it ain't that much for XRP. It's just the start. It doesn't mean too much in the grand scheme of things. But for the short term, for the morale, for the feeling, I'd say this is amazing, and it's just the start. I want you guys to realize this. But more importantly, the reason I'm actually making an update video here rather than just letting the price rise out, because that's what I do most of the time nowadays, is to make you guys remember the original plan. Make you guys understand you have to soon act, because if you're not, you're going to really miss out on so many gains. And I've said before, we have a bull market strategy. Right now, I'd say we're in phase, out of the, let's say 6 phases, we're in phase 3 almost of the bull market and of how we basically handle them to maximize profit to a certain extent. You're going to have to act pretty soon or you're going to be missing out. XRP, Cardano, Chainlink, all these cryptos, they're outshining Bitcoin already. Which showcases it's definitely time to start taking things a little notch more serious. But it's gonna get even stricter, even crazier in due course. And I want you all to remember, bull market times, what you're gonna see, guys, is you're gonna see pump of 40% across the board in the top 10. Every single day, every time you wake up, you think, should I buy some more? Bam, 40% up. Should I buy some more today? Maybe bam, up again. You're going to see some pullbacks, sure, but those pullbacks are going to be after massive gains, so it will never feel nice to buy anymore. And that's the problem right now as well. XRP was at 47 cents or so, 44 cents, a couple weeks ago, 47 cents, I think, 49. So now to buy at 70 is pretty freaking annoying, right? Well, the problem comes, now you can't really accumulate anymore unless you want to get an average price 20 cents higher, which a lot of people are not too infatuated with, which I understand. But that's only going to keep getting worse. You're only going to keep thinking, oh, I should have just bought earlier. Oh, I should have just... And so our strategy that I've described to you guys for months and months and months is going to play a pivotal role. My alarm went off and so it turned itself off. I love this view, guys. So I don't know. I just feel as if I should keep showing it like this. That is nice. That is nice. Only stick to the strategy. Only stick to the strategy. Don't let it get to your head. You're going to get lost. Many people do. Many people do. Stick to the strategy. It is that simple. Only go for, right now at least. Right now, I wanted to say go for fundamental altcoins. Don't go for the craziest ones just quite yet. But we're already getting to that phase where even buying crazy altcoins is not a ridiculously stupid idea anymore, guys. It's crazy how fast these things go. But it's even crazier how fast things are going to be moving. As I've said in an earlier video, the Bitcoin ETF and I'd say the Bitcoin halving are the two major events keeping us excited, keeping us going. I didn't even know if we actually closed above 35,000. I should actually quickly take a look at that. Bitcoin right now at 34.970. So I'm going to assume we did not close positively. And even if we did, the price shot back down nearly instantly. You can't see. Otherwise, it's going to be flipped around anyway, which is annoying. Yeah, so Bitcoin's still slightly below that price. And XRP is sitting at 68 cents comfortably right now, up 10% throughout the day, one of the best performers. And it's kind of funny that yesterday in my video, I described this already to you by saying it's literally happening. I don't know how to describe it better. And now we're seeing that showcased partially, but this is just the beginning, just the beginning. There's almost nothing making these prices pump. And if you know there's almost nothing making them pump, but they're up 40%, some of these altcoins, then you know you're in big, good season. You're in good season. You're in for a good time. We had ourselves those two major events for Bitcoin, like I just said. The only negative one that I can think of is Gary Gensler coming in hot. I don't think anything happening in the Ripple case can actually turn out negative. I don't think any IPO or thing like that is going to be very positive, interestingly enough, for the XP price. The only thing I think perhaps could have an effect is anything crazy announced at Swell. Ripple by Swell by Ripple, I mean, is in the next couple of days, 8 and 9 November, if I'm not mistaken. Same as the Binance Blockchain Week over in Istanbul. Both of those could have some crazy crypto events in the sense that they make some announcements of sorts. But generally speaking, it's just the market moving right now. And the market is moving based on a lot of excitement because everybody's in the same ball. In the same, I guess, ballpark, perhaps. Not in the same ball of, we need these pumps. It's been way overdue. The moment that it happens, let's go at it. And you'd be surprised just how many people are longing or are trading XRP and not just buying little bits. No, they're actually expecting the price to continue to pump over time. And it's not so stupid to have a long position open. We always have one open for Bitcoin, for example. But thinking about it, having one open for XRP wouldn't have definitely been a really stupid idea. Just to, have it, I guess. But that's besides the point. We might have a small XRP position open on one of the accounts, but nothing game-changing this time around, whereas usually we do. So it even caught me off guard. I didn't expect the bull market to hit like a truck. And the most important thing for everybody right now is to understand you are in a bull market, even though, we might get another pullback. So it wasn't a bull market. It is. This is the bull market. There's no question about it anymore, at least in my opinion. The only question is, how long of sustained gains before pullback and which exact coins to buy. And that's our focus going to be every single day as of this point. So if you guys enjoyed these daily crypto videos, make sure you stick around because I'm going to be teaching you guys every single thing I can think of. But most importantly, we're going to together try and find all these best altcoins that outperform the market to hopefully turn $1,000 for a lot of people into $1 million. That's the goal. And I don't think it should be too hard, at least for a couple thousand of you watching. Some are failures. It's going to happen. Some will not succeed. But you should be the one that does. It's that simple. If you really want it in a bull market, a lot of things can happen. But yeah, that's about it. Hopefully see you guys again in another one.